Kia ora. Welcome to King Street Artworks. We have an open door policy. This means you don't need a referral to use our service. You can just walk in during opening hours. During your initial visit, you will be taken around the workshop by one of our tutors and introduced to the various arts, crafts and amenities we have. You can sit down and start creating straight away. Clay, painting, drawing, sewing, mosaics. Most art forms are fair game, and we always have a few tutors in the workshop to help you get started or answer any questions. We also ask all our artists to sign in on arrival and out when you leave. This is a health and safety requirement, but if you cannot sign your name, come and talk to us. Overall, we're a friendly and caring bunch, artists and tutors alike. It's up to you what level of interaction you would like when you're creating. From sitting with noise-cancelling headphones uninterrupted to joining us for the afternoon quiz, we let you drive your experience. We know a lot of our artists feel anxious walking in the doors the first time, or even the second or 10th, and we do our best to help you feel comfortable. We hope that this video has given you enough of an introduction to understand that joining us at King Street is an easy process, and you are more than welcome. Once you have been in a couple of times and you feel like you would like to come back as an artist, we do have a few forms for you to fill out. King Street is funded by the DHB, so it's really important that we get your information so we can report accurately and continue to receive funding. No mai haere mai. See you soon.